Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Um, it's raining, like really, really raining. I don't know if you can hear me very well because one, it's raining. The other thing is that I have that Nairobi flu that has been going around. Uh, I thought I at least I can speak, but it's really, really shaky. I've just had warm water. You can hear the way my voice is shaking because I'm not comfortable speaking. So what I want to do, because I think my house looks so shitty, let me show you. This is my bed unmade. What else do you need to see? These clothes here on the seat, they need to be folded. Utensils in the kitchen. My kitchen is just looking like a hot mess. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, but my kitchen is looking like a hot mess. I need to get that fixed. That table is not looking pretty. My shoes, they're dirty, they're not arranged. I need to I need to fix that. So I want to do all that because I've figured because I'm not going to work and if I continue sleeping I'm feeling more shitty. I'd rather just like clean my house or something. Yeah. So that's what I want to do. Yeah. So I'll just show you guys how I'll like clean my house and all. Today I'm trying to use my ring light. I rarely use this ring light like like kabisa. I'd even forgotten I have it. Yeah, so yeah, let's do the cleaning.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to
So I am done with making clothes. The next thing, let's arrange them in the wardrobe. And then yeah.
be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commit.
There's the wardrobe. It's looking decent right now. It's looking super cute. Everything is in its own place. Yeah, so I like that. Before I start arranging, I'm thinking this table here, because when I put it here, when I open this door, you see, it hinders the wardrobe door, so I can't even open this drawer down here. So I'm thinking of putting it this side where the shoes are, so that when I want to film, I can just put you guys on a tripod on top of the table. Then it will be like my dressing table. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm really shouting. Yeah. So yeah, I think I'll move it to that side. So let me switch the positions.
Trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna
Okay, as in mafuta inaiva, let me start preparing the tungu for the mboga. Yeah.
look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now.
So I am done with the cooking at the kitchen and everything. So let's arrange the shoes, clean the shoes that are in the bathroom, and then I think we will mop the house. And then yeah, that will be it. Then you can eat. Yay! Almost done. I still feel very, very weak, but we have to clean the house. Yeah. This is the Panadol I'm supposed to take. I've melted it in water. I've dissolved it in water to melt it. I've dissolved it in water. It tastes like, it says orange flavor, but this, yeah, it actually tastes like, I don't know, juice cola or something. But it's just not the good juice cola. Yeah. I'll take it once I've done eating because naona itaniharibia saiki ya kukula na vile hii chakula inakaa tamu. So yeah, let's clean the shoes in the bathroom, then we see where we'll arrange those shoes there. Okay.
Oh, we can still have fun for now. We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
Alright guys, so I'm done cleaning the house. This is the wardrobe. It's looking nice. Everything is in order. Except those two bags. I'll put them up there. Yeah, but yeah. Everything else is in order. Um, my bed is well made. My mirror, yeah, a bit clean. I'll wash it tomorrow. I'm so tired. I'm already tired. It's 10. And then, so yeah, there's my dressing table. There are my shoes. I still need a good place to put my shoes. I don't know where I'll place them, but I'll just figure it out. Yeah, then one of this seat will be here so that when I'm filming, I'm sitting down. Yeah, and then what else? The carpet is clean. The house is smelling so nice. That is a lavender fragrance. Then this is the kitchen, so clean. I now want to serve food. So yeah, let me do that. I'm so hungry. Yeah, let me do that and then we'll catch up. Okay, guys. So yeah, I'm done cleaning. I'm so tired. It's currently 11 p.m. Yeah, I'm done. My house smells so much better. It looks so neat. I feel so nice that my house is clean. Yeah, it's just a good feeling. But I need to have my supper and then sleep because I'm feeling a head rush. And then my throat is very dry and itchy, so I don't like that. Also, I want to have supper before I sleep. So yeah, that's what I've served. It's the greens, rice, and beef that I told you earlier. Yeah, that's what I'll be having. And then yeah, that will be it for me for the night. I'll just sleep and hopefully tomorrow I'll be feeling much better because I need to go to work tomorrow. Yeah, anyway, please guys, please be safe out here. E-homa iko in Nairobi. It's not a joke. This homa is the ghetto, utmost ghetto. Like, please do whatever you can to avoid it. Wear your mask, sanitize, social distance if you can. Do everything you can. Just keep safe because it is not cute at all. It's not even cute. Yeah, so please just be safe out there as you go on with your festivities. Please be safe. Have a Merry Christmas, you guys. I know you'll be seeing this maybe on Christmas Day or some days after, but Merry Christmas. And yeah, so see you guys in our next vlog. Please like my videos, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate that. Yeah, and see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.